Hi! In today's video we're going to try to make 3 slime recipes without glue. Because you've asked us a lot. Let's see how they turned out. Today we make no glue slime with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. For the first recipe we will need hair gel, laundry detergent, contact solution, and glitter if you want. According to the recipes that we've seen, you have to pour the whole bottle of hair gel. In our case it was 300 milliliters. As it already has this gelatin-like texture, it's possible that this slime turns out great. Let's see what happens when we mix everything. We now add the equivalent of 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent, and mix it very well. Well, it seems that with the detergent, the mixture has become very liquid, so I don't know if this is going to come out very well. Let's see if pouring the contact solution it improves. It doesn't look like it can turn into slime at all. I'm going to try adding a teaspoon of baking soda, since that's how slime is normally activated, to see if it all reacts together. But no, this looks like a pool. It doesn't look like slime at all. Let us know in the comments if you think I've skipped any steps, or if you know of any no-glue slime recipes. I'm going to give this recipe 1 star, just because I don't want to give it 0. Such a fail. Let's continue, but first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. Let's go with the second recipe. Let's see if we have more luck. All we need is dishwashing soap and cornstarch. We're going to add about 100 grams of cornstarch and 100 milliliters of dish soap, but we're going to add it little by little. And we're going to mix it. We keep adding the soap and we mix it again. And it's taking shape, isn't it? The texture at the moment is much better than the previous one. Let's see what it's like when we need it. It's super soft. It looks like a mix between oobleck and Play-Doh. How cool! It's not exactly like slime, but it's pretty close. Check it out! We really recommend this one. And we give it 4 stars. We really liked it. And before we show you the last recipe, we remind you that we have lots of resources on our website. We have uploaded some free Easter resources so you can do these days with your kids. We'll leave the link in the description of the video. Let's continue. For this recipe we will need dishwashing soap, baking soda, salt, and glitter. We add a teaspoon of salt to the dish soap and stir it very well. Now we add half a teaspoon of baking soda and mix it again. And to make it colorful, we're going to add a lot of glitter. I'm going to use these little stars in green, blue, and yellow. Perfect. Stir well again. And now, according to the recipes that we've seen, it's important to cover it all with baking soda on top. Ready. And we have to cover it very well. Now, in order for the slime to activate, we're supposed to let it sit for a week without opening it. So that's what we did, and let's see the results. Well, I don't know how this is going to be. Let's mix it well, because the baking soda we poured on top has hardened. It doesn't look like it's going to turn into slime. Although it's a bit stickier than the first one, that's something. I don't know if I've done something wrong because in the videos we've seen it was perfect, but this has nothing to do with slime. I'm not going to knead it because look, it would stay all over my hands. I'm going to give it 2 stars, just because it was a little bit more sticky than the first one. But it's not slime at all, another fail. If you guys know of any no-glue slime recipes that you want us to try, leave them in the comments. At least one of the ones that we made today turned out well. And we had a great time trying these recipes. And like every week, it's time for the greeting. This week we send a very special greeting to Tefi Art. Thanks so much for commenting and happy birthday! Remember that if you want a greeting too, you just have to ask us in the comments. See you next week with a new video.